this car?
What is what called? What kind of car is it? A Dodge Ram. A truck. You like trucks?
No.
No.
I like cars.
You like cars. That's fair enough. You like cars like the white one that we have towed behind? Yeah. So we are officially done with this project. It was such a fun one. It's a great people mover. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Say hi to YouTube. So this is my niece and nephew and my other niece, Ellie, right there. But yeah, that is what this kind of truck is used for. It's a great people mover, and this one turned out awesome. And I think what draws us all to this stuff is the community, is the sound, the sights, like all the stuff is part of it. What is up, good people? Happy New Year. It's New Year's Eve right now. By the time you guys see this, we're probably in 2021. But I've got something of a surprise for you guys. I've got projects pulling projects. We finally wrapped her up. And look at her. She is looking beautiful. We've got the Miata project in the back. So what's happening with that is I'm headed to the exhaust shop. The first exhaust shop couldn't do what I was asking them to do, but I've got another exhaust shop that's able to do custom work I'm looking for. So we're headed down there right now, but that's not why we're here. We are here for the Escalade, the ESV project that was vandalized, which is clearly not looking so vandalized anymore. My guy did an awesome job. As you can hear, she's running perfectly. Let's get on the inside of this thing. Just a quick look overall as to where she is. Practically brand new again. All cleaned up. I'm currently in tow haul mode because obviously towing the Miata project behind here. I think you can see it. There she is. Yeah, overall, she turned out amazing, drives super smooth. I'm just super happy with the results of how this turned out. The reason I bid on it in the first place was because I had hoped that, obviously, that it would turn out this way. And I would say the thing that took the longest was the paint, because we didn't paint the car, we paint corrected it. Tried my best to get some of that on tape, but it wasn't feasible. Between the guy that was doing the correction and my schedules, we just couldn't align anything, and I asked him to tape, but you know, obviously not everybody's willing to do that while they work. It takes a little bit of time to do it. So regardless, we weren't able to see what all he did. For not painting the car, it turned out really well. And I'm glad that it did. If we sanded everything down and painted the car, it would look perfect. But I would say for a car that started off looking like this, to looking the way it does now, we've come quite a long ways. And yeah, overall, it needed driver's side motor mount. That's a pretty common problem with these K-body trucks at this mileage, although I've never seen one completely ripped like that before. But that was replaced. Obviously, we knew that our oil cooler line was leaking, but you can see here where it was actually cracked and leaking profusely right there, which is kind of crazy. But not unusual. Those coolant tees in the rear, again, pretty common problem. They leak all the time. So Lots of while you were there is just kind of taking care of small problems and ironing it out, but overall, not bad. And I would say that's about it mechanically. Overall, nothing major. I have it for about a month before the new owner comes, and I am just enjoying it, kind of putting it through its paces, seeing what it does. But so far so good. It has been smooth sailing. It's super comfortable. I love these things, and I'll probably get one of these things pretty soon for myself. And I say that every time and end up selling them. This is my second Escalade I picked up for myself and ended up kind of selling just because somebody else falls in love with it. But eventually I will get one for myself. Thanks again for coming along for the ride. Appreciate all the love and support this past year, 2021. Hopefully we keep growing the channel. I'll try to have more interesting, innovative stuff for you guys. Bring you along certainly for anything that I think is worth having on the channel. Yeah, stay tuned. Thanks again. Like, subscribe, share, do all the things. Stay safe out there. See you later.